Alam nyo ba, pagdating sa mga pre-selling projects, gusto ko po lagi na nauuna po kayo. Kaya ginagawa ko po ang pinaka-best ko para lagi kayong updated. By the way, ako nga pala si Angelo Geronimo, your licensed real estate broker. At welcome kayo sa Ombre Estate. Biruin nyo, kayo ang pinakaunang magkakaroon ng bahay dito sa 16 hectares na project ng tailor-made. Dito lang po yan sa may San Mateo, Rizal. Inabot lang po kami ng 20 minutes, around 8.5 kilometers. Galing po ng Sandigan Bayan hanggang dito. Mabilis lang po siya kasi meron na tayong mga bypass. So nandito po tayo ngayon sa may Sitio Patiis. Dito lang po yan sa may San Mateo, Rizal. Bagong project ng tailor-made. Alam niyo ba, pwede kayong magkaroon ng bahay sa halagang 2.8 million lang. Ongoing ang construction. Meron tayong nadaanan yung Nera 2. Ang good news, magkakaroon tayo ng daan doon para sa future exit natin ng project na ito. Yung 2.8 million na sinasabi kong house and lot, yun po yung around 40 square meters. Type C, B, and A. So, ang gagawin lang natin, magpa-reserve tayo. Message me para mag-side viewing at makita nyo tong 16 hectares na property. Kumpletong amenities yan for sure.
Yeah. From the north to the south. You've been looking. Now you found it. From the north to the south.
From the north to the south, you've been searching long, looking for a place that feels like home. Wide open skies, nights so right. Your tomorrow starts tonight. East to the west, take a look around. Something about this got you slowing down. This the one you need. You don't gotta look no more. Feel it in your soul when you step inside that door.
Hanggang doon pa yan sa dulo mga kahumi.
Let it move you nice and slow. Ombre Estate. Yeah, this where you go. Morning light through the window pane.
So first hand kayong nakakakita nito in 4K. Nung araw naalala ko, cellphone lang, ang labo-labo pa. May guardhouse ng ginagawa. Akong bahala sa mga update ninyo, no? Labas tayo.
Take your time, read it in. Real decisions start within. If it hits, don't resist. You already know this is it. It's the one you need. Yeah, I see it in your eyes. No more second guessing. No more maybe this time. Step into your role. Live the life you design. Ombre Estate. Yeah, this your time.
Ombre Estate. You don't chase it. You choose it.
Ano pang hinihintay nyo? Tara, magpa-reserve na kayo.